I spend hours editing in Davinci Resolve, and there are a handful of clip selection features that save loads of time. First, use Command A to select all the clips in your timeline. Yeah, I know, that's basic. What you didn't know is that you can select all the clips forward of your playhead by using the keyboard shortcut Option Y. Handy, right? Now you can drag all the clips to the right to make space for a new clip you want to add, without breaking anything that's further down your timeline. Great, but sometimes you only want the clips that are forward but on the same track. That's where Y comes in. Now you can choose to select those clips only on one track. By the way, you need to make sure that the track is active for this to work. Now, here's a trick you won't hear anywhere else. If you want to select clips forward on multiple tracks, but not all of them, like the music track or a track with animated overlays, you can still use Option Y, but lock the tracks first that you don't want to move. Now we're talking. We're not done yet, but if you're getting value from this video, consider supporting the channel by subscribing and sharing this video on your social media, so other video editors can benefit too. Alright, just add the Command key to all the shortcuts we just talked about. We learned about Option Y to select forward, so Command Option Y selects the clips backward of your playhead on all the tracks. Command Y selects those on one track. Remember that the track must be active for this to work. If you want to boost your video editing speed, you've got to incorporate these shortcuts into your workflow. But in case you ever forget, just go up to Timeline and hover over Select Clips Forward and Backward. By the way, working with markers and clip colors is really important too, so check out my channel for more tricks like these. Since we were learning so fast, let me throw in a bonus tip. Using Command with the arrow keys allows you to select one clip forward, backward, up, or down. These features are in the Edit menu towards the bottom. Alright, have a blessed day, and comment below if you learned something new today.